Hello there. I just wanted to show you a simple trick how to clean my goggles without touching the lens and possibly damaging it. Just put the band over the top right here so there's no scratching of the lens. And take some soap, get some water, lather it up. Just want to clean the outer edge where it's a lot of sweat. So what I do is I put it under the faucet here a little bit, get it a little wet, and gently scrub just the part that touches your skin with soap. Lather it up a bit, and then rinse it off, like that. Slightly press it to get the soap off. And that's it. Didn't touch the lens at all. Once it's all washed up, another quick way to dry it quicker is get a dry paper towel and slightly press the foam underneath the goggle. Like that. And then leave it dry.